Generally, by Paul Manyang, Presidential Advisor, Senior Presidential Advisor in Tamil, Brother Quinding, Tamil, Brother Dr. Marial Dorin, Tamil, all other protocols observed. Today, the court that we are attending this function. Time factor. Long ibu dia cabuti wale ni. Saya budu leleng dia. Respect time. Ekiluela ye tati ere we wabenen. Lekin wajan beren ya tadia lalu ayugo kepalo kaya kelo. Yomu itin goje be. Up to now. Tamku. Time we are respecting because time is of essence. Time is of essence. Actually, the agenda will be taken. Everything. Abajalo Jambi. Aleja Bakando, chairperson, the former chairperson of the election committee. Mabruk, banyak kabar, incalon dua caloyate. Because you have done your job to the satisfaction of everybody, this is why we are celebrating today. Incinalia bedi kingitu wabe. So Mabruk, when a late na do, when you get the child, and you have sent a clear message to the convenience of everybody that this election was free, fair, and credible. So, Mabruk. And Badwale is the outgoing chairman. Akur Majib. Majib Mabruk. You have done your job and you have handed over peacefully, like when you received your position last time. This is a great achievement. Mabruk Alek. Ekadukene. Ichin jamwar leluka loelak batu kabarir. Edukera loy. So Mabruk inchalon dua chaloy. And you have done your job. Roundabout Mabruk is the incoming chairman. In chairman when you work, Iran chal jo. Mabruk Ishan Kichaloy, you have really sent a clear message that democracy is loyal. You have sent a very clear message and it is a lesson for others that this is the way. And if this is the way, then everybody must follow it. You have made it, Mabruk Alek, and I wish you every success in this era by your constitution. So Mabruk Alek, who Kabaloy, a Chabigari in the King Kadun in the Chalwele and the Kabani Dam, and the Kabani Panchupsi. Kadun the Chalwele Kapia and we like it. So Mabruk, who created Banabada, you quite joke to man Kinelway. Randa Banjam thing, the dictator Tonagro. About Yoga Mabruk, dictator for having accepted willingly the results of the elections. Kinayani Yoga Mabruk, okay, that is how you are. I expected you to behave, to conduct yourselves. Before any election, no, you couldn't wake a chagachol. Wake a chagachol. Kujam wake. Kulala wake. You must make a free, fair, and credible elections. Elections such as Korbe were utak kwe jam tikubaru that will have a lot. Don't quite feel okay to do. So I call Barumi during these elections. Look at me. Lano will get the Kabana Butogalamia, King will wear Jagaleru, Kayakaraja, Abula don't work on. Abula don't work here. So what look at them? Kujalwela, you must accept the outcome of the elections. Well, awake na lakamia, Lenin Atai Chalmia, Kayin Garwaraga, Kero. Makue Jepi to Kintium in belonging speed on Kintium. Kerero, Najayu in belonging speed on Kinwi. And I believe where Lerke Kayi Chairman Kaneton. While Lerke Ben Kama Chala, I'm sure I can look in speeches, Kero. And that was very good. You sent a clear message. So before Vanja Minton, Intini and Fursan, Kada Barbaro, who had to Kulan Penjayan.
Panboroye. Zaman dia ko raret. Ane William na zaman randit. Protocol remain observed. Until we jam chana na zaman tin ko. Ran Malay, Hon Michael Makuei. Mantian yen zaman tin ko na zaman age. Emo fruit be IEC below. Where we born and I can invited. At the bottom. Echi IEC Lueth Nananda Kulu invited ke ila echito. Echi kurajan baban. But kena bore anongen. Achira anong bore kedaben. Kumbaluel, we call it one to wear. Where the idea is to war, Janaluel. One may the da, Elijah Manyon Jong, and the Bandaman. Etalua, Nananda, the Bank, the Tonyana Tergo, Tonyranto. Kuanga Ter, who went with the Panto. And I do Banyok the Tim. Kabanyok, a Bandia. Near Kurele. Kijel to we ko jitiam we ka nang platform you we chot ne do. Ben jitiam ne ka nang platform en do ne chol. Quran ti lo ye platform e you know. Achu de na yo ten. Chemang ne chan chen pe yaman ti na chama bo ba ke assure na na ga chen ke to. Ke ba le we ya. Pan bo ra che tek Cepat dia ker nenek dua kita sama ben. Ajen BCYA tora gong, ku ajen BCYA ini jangan nyawa jauh. Ikan ni banyak we kau kuah. Ku Iran di dintel le jadi ni zaman dia na, undang dia biar thang kau.
Okay, thank you very much, Victor. Platform of IoT incorporating one man. This is my message to you. You have to cooperate Appear the will nature being quite all by I'm sorry for having committed that mistake. That is in Keke car, we're organizing committee. They are called we thought being an opportunity I shall be where they were, but they can reconfirm so that you don't doubt him. And I lay Lankalwe Miakabuya Tigil Kuna and Jalwell. So our message to you is that you need to cooperate with Elijah Manyok, Kashan by Chord. Queen Manyok. Kuwe with supporters Katona go from now onwards. Makue with you, we call Elijah Manyok. Aba be to we logo we togo mumale. We togo mum. It means that you are not for that. Who got a pet? Makue Lueth to ba community ba Lueth. Like a ton way. So in the case of twin carbon, we look in the carbon mar we call Panda, you could really in the old Pachala board. Pulaye walker bulla board, Ebu Gull, the poor. The man can away a ping in the chair by Paul Manyanga Chilo board. Ebu la board, Tagapur in a quay, a young well, a Dugupurin, Logubai. Najula, she wall of Purbor, who are Bukaro, Abu Galoi Dumi, Lanura, Bagatim, Abu Gaditi, Kunabu Gati, who are Bukum Karokabu Loi, Benarabat housing, could take away at our pay. Nairu, never watch it up. Kunabu Yapure, you watch up for a buetori, a chepanda. And I support them, Colonel, and watch up a poll. Balong down one you call my young. A tube politin. So now I check about Cherka Japan Yellow. Column Siam with Yergan. Kunaya Yergan. Kachini booty to bed here, long a bull panda. A Gopinina, never to bed here. This is what I'm saying. So we call for Aya Vilapaya Dubai. We in Elijah Manyok Elundu, Paya Dubai. In the chairman of our community in a youth in Juba. But I will eat Kokun Gayilake Ukaya Labai. And this connects me also with something Japan when the constitution and will never amended. Quite long run Jamaica can look below 1,000 per payam. Can you voters? After Charumar Juba with you? They allow 1,000 voters per payam. I hear a bear will 50 per payam. Because after all, in the constitution itself, you need to clearly define who is a voter. Actually, I can Ben Juba is born to Ben Jara and Juba and have the right to vote. No. You must stay in Juba for a specific period, uninterrupted. For a specified period. How long? But for me to qualify as a voter, I must be a resident of Juba, who must have stayed in Juba for a specified period. I check here where I obey normally to read. This is wrong. These are not competent members who have the right to vote for you here. So the student worker corrected. People must be qualified. Actually, we are very bored from all the directions it can be reached at Juba. No. People must qualify. Those of you, the lawyers who are there in charge of this, please take care of that. We are Juba who can board for 6 months. You will not qualify to vote. Era Louis Juba are official Malaysia. In Calabria qualifying. But if you are sitting idly here in Juba and you want to go and contest elections, you will not qualify. And people will object to your nomination or registration for that matter. So please, we lawyers, the youth, amend that constitution. Make it a constitution that qualifies some people, not every Moinbor. Being a Moinbor is not a license to qualify you to vote anywhere. It qualifies you only to vote in Bor, but not anywhere else. That is what I can say. So you need to look into that. The Carbo Maria, we voters. Because they are actually Lija Manyoka and Tona Goga, I know because you have raised the bar to a very bad extent. You have exploited them. I exploited to a very bad extent. Makue Lueth is in place. The position can be very often. And now you will be bringing people who have the means all the time. There is no room for me. That is bad. And select your person, your leader, without paying you anything, without feeding you in any of the hotels here, or without paying for shopper. Up to now, Keka is suffering from your debts. Yes, they're suffering from your debts. Yamunaga cake. Yamunaga cake. Luella Taka a candy. And there you get two who can properties, families cannot check out. They have sold them all and they are still in debt. Because there is nowhere where they will be compensated. I can't be Walkway took a Nadewar Mananacha Jal, change Gabaki took a Yenewebu Jalquay, but he don't back God. They don't have anything better God. So, now bearing the Kabat of Ben Roti, Kadokalowaya. Dokalowaya, right. You are setting a bad precedent. Hello, the way Wayara, we were very cold. I won't go a job at for the youth, I say Mobruka Lekum, where Bangaroti were, the 3 counties. Lord Wanwar Kewelo Bibor was a very good achievement. It is a clear message. You have sent a clear message to the whole world that you are for peace. My message to you is charity starts at home. Can go away in Marco Jalga Yarato. I care about Europe, unity. Can go away, Mar. Kujam Kertuk. And listen to your chairman, when Jamen, now when Jamen, the chairman of Greater Board Youth Association, Goyadol Ha. This is your chairman. Kutamka, Paway Mar. Palka Kadan, Yuguloi. Kadan Yuguloi, Palka walk. Lakilway, Kakadun. Because the future is yours, it's not ours. Now, park away. Poe, Makue Carolio. I have a Tunda and a Kunda train. So, my message to you is unite your ranks. Makue, Kuluagato. Panbor, Chilubupo. Quite a bupo. So Kadan, good over Chum, Makue, Kukadan, Abu Thun. Abu Thun, a boar Abu Mati. And boar will be great again, will trump. So this is what I'm telling you. The Karvamar Bor and then Chalmadin. A Chalbor, Rin Kakuma. Aya Lenica Luela Labor. Kunacha Labor, Kakacha Berber, Luelanto, and Chilabor, Aya Luelantomadi. There is difference here. Bor, Arin Kakuma, Kumadin Kekarin Kwa. Madianga chu kor ba kori bu kore janai weruti kelkuwa lo rabora wo weruti ku kache we wo pai walong e ko dir ko ko wai ai wala yomni my message e ro we ko dir cha karo me che kani ku we weruti do ko ni joria ke tanu madinga be ade ne pando along koi could be mading be the alwari along koi could be rear kokor be rear I took a bukol be rear kuke na yen kilo e kekene kabungin loe la roti ware moy ti jam long cái đêm jam cái long cái cột ken to cái cột có wara cột war che cái ya se ba kaya le la ken cột có ba ken cột ken cái lui so no phải cho che cái le la cái long cột chỉ ra long cột Kubai Korea, Korea, Pandun, area green one. A chin ran the yellow cord to pay how way quick I could believe. Weruti, Pukeruti, war, Mui Mading, a chiran away, chiran in Targani, Ruti, but yet I get a cake. Kunako could be take a dog and cook. Can't forget you. So, Thon we roti well we các cái jam when wa ri ko jam ko when rem duon ta nu kalo ye ke ke ai che khap ya bu kai che wa bu koi chin di da ti che wa cái pal ke chin ku di chin di dan thoi thi e bu ma ti ku lo ko pe en ka ben ba ya ba kuna le ku bu ya lo bu ya So insecurity to Borea and Villa Luego. Ran red bell. Ran red bell. ram tin cho red belt to ma ding ka de jan ga da jan ga na chai jan ga buyu chin ga de le tanu bai chu ba pal fo da chu ba pal fo da na ye ga cho red belt le chani red belt wa re de ye de chi ngai de Abu Hon Michael Makuei. Anu let red bell aja red bell kayak ini. Abu Hon Michael Makuei sam danya. Nanti yang kejam tu ni. Lega ke, pakai luar ke, kinti. Aku macam nyonya na yang kau cak kaisel. Aku macam nyonya na yang kau kaisel. Nakar kau kaisel ni ke dia. Acai kau kau yang tu. Jam dia tu kita kau calik. Atau ngali kau. Kerja juga nak belot ya. Kucing new chairman nak belot dah belot ya. Kucing ke ngadi. With that, I call upon His Excellency, the Presidential Advisor, Comrade Kwal Manyang Yu Kaisan. Bye bye. Aku bijak.